This is my new project. It's a gasifier so that I can power that sawmill. This is made out of a, hope the sun's not screwing this up, made out of an old air compressor tank. I split the tank because it's gunky and I want to get that all cleaned out of there. And that's pretty much it. So anyways, I cut a 6-inch ring and welded it into the top of this because it's sloped down and I needed it something to level and it also so that I can seal the hopper in. So, okay, well here's the hopper. Just a stainless steel pot, crock pot, or not a crock pot, but a stainless steel pot that I put a 6-inch stovepipe in. Get a picture in there. With a lid, and I didn't want to go to a lot of messing around to make clamps and stuff for the lid, so I'm just going to, after I fill it up, I'm just going to run duct tape around it to seal it and remove it and replace it whenever I need to without a whole lot of messing around. Now, okay, here's the part where I'm a little bit out of my element and I could appreciate some input on this. This is the access port for the nozzle and the light up port, water feed. I'm going to get this out of the way a little bit. I'm sure this is probably going to make you sick the way I'm jumping it around. So anyways, this is the nozzle, or proposed to be the nozzle. It's a 3/4 inch pipe. I welded a 1/2 inch bolt, the head of a 1/2 inch bolt into the end of it, and welded it up and ground it off. This, try to do this so that makes some sense. This welds into here and goes into the gasifier, sealed off. I'll turn it over to show that. And the bottom will be welded and sealed, top and bottom, or inside and out, or whatever. Oh, here, better view. And then I'm thinking about a 2-inch slit in the top of this nozzle, the width of a cutoff wheel basically. And I'm thinking about a couple of small, maybe 1/8 inch hole, 2 1/8 holes in this square tube to allow any steam that we generate in the bottom here to escape. So, and feed the reaction. So I'm a little concerned. I was going to put fiberglass insulation inside here just so that it couldn't build up any kind of a geysering effect, so the water would heat up and spurt out of the holes. But now, because of Matt's experience with that, I'm sort of reluctant to do it. I guess it would be better just to meter the amount of water going in so that it could never build up that much pressure. I'd like some opinions about that. But anyways, that's pretty much what we got going so far here, and I'm not sure if this works or if it doesn't. If it doesn't work, then I'll just cut this nozzle assembly out of here, use all the same stuff, and just put a straight through nozzle on it. But I wanted to try this out anyways. So thanks for watching.